Assalamualaikum. In this video, we're going to present about exoskeleton in construction workers. We are from DKA 5D and our lecturer name is Puan Nurashikin bin Muhammad Razi. This is my group members, Alleya Marshella and Arin. Also me, myself, Mizan Qashreena, teacher Mizan. My nometry is 0 DKA 23 F1273. And in this video, I'm going to explain overall introduction and about the case study. Next is introduction in poster, which is about skeleton and how it works. So construction work often involve heavy physical tasks that cause fatigue and injuries. With today's technology advancement, the exoskeleton was introduced as a wearable robotic device to support workers' movement, reduce strain, and improve safety and efficiency at construction sites. In simple terms, an exoskeleton helps construction workers perform heavy tasks more easily and safely. It provides extra strength, improve posture, and allows workers to move or lift objects with less effort during long working hours. Next is about exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is a wearable robotic frame that fits around the human body like an external skeleton. It's designed to support and enhance the user's physical movements, not to replace them. When a person bends, lift or carries heavy loads, the exoskeletons help reduce the pressure on muscles and joints, especially the back and shoulders. It works by improving posture, reducing fatigue, and increasing overall comfort while working. Some exoskeletons are designed for a specific part of the body. For example, a back support. Exoskeleton helps workers lift heavy materials safely, while a leg support, an exoskeleton exists in standing or squatting for long periods. In short, the exoskeleton makes physical tasks more easier and helps workers maintain strength and balance throughout the day. Next is about how exoskeleton works. So the exoskeleton uses sensors and motors that detect users' body movement. When the workers start to move, for example bending or lifting, the sensors send signals to the motors, which then assist the movement by adding mechanical support. There are two main types of exoskeleton. First one, the passive type, uses springs or elastic materials to store and release energy. It doesn't need a battery. Meanwhile, the power type uses batteries and motors to actively help the workers move with more strength and stability. By working together with the human body, the exoskeleton reduces muscle strain, prevent injuries, and allows workers to lift or carry loads more efficiently. In other words, the exoskeleton, it transforms normal human strength into something more stronger and safer, making the construction work more productive and less tiring. That's only from me. Next, I will pass to the second presenter, which is Alleya Marshella.
Hi, I'm Alleya Marshella, and now I will be explaining about the challenge and advantage and impact of using exoskeleton in the construction industry. So, let's start with the challenge first. One of the main challenge in the high cost and limited availability. Since exoskeleton are still considered a developing technology, the price can be very expensive and not every company can afford to implement them. In many cases, construction firms, especially smaller ones, may find it difficult to invest in this type of advanced equipment. Besides that, the supply is still quite limited, so not every region or country has easy access to this technology yet. The second challenge is that workers need proper training to use the device safely and effectively. Even though the exoskeleton is designed to make their work easier, workers must learn how to wear and operate it correctly to avoid accident. Without proper training, the device might not perform well or could even cause discomfort and injuries instead of preventing them. Another issue is potential discomfort during long-term wear. Some workers report feeling restricted or tired after wearing the exoskeleton for several hours. This could happen because of the weight of the device or the limited range of motion when doing certain type of tasks. Therefore, continuous improvement in design and ergonomic is very important to make sure the device can be worn comfort for a long period. However, despite this challenge, the future of exoskeleton still looks very promising, especially when local innovation and continuous technological is have improvement. As more research and development are carried out, we can expect lower production costs, better comfort, and wider accessibility for construction industry around the world. And now, let's move on the advantage and impacts. The first and most significant advantage is that exoskeleton improve worker safety and posture. They provide physical support to the user's body, especially the back, shoulder, and leg. This helps to reduce strain and fatigue during heavy lifting or repetitive movement. With better posture and body support, the risk of musculoskeletal injuries can be greatly reduced. And next, exoskeleton also increase work efficiency and endurance since the device helps to reduce the physical effort needed to carry heavy load. Workers are able to perform their tasks more efficiently and with less fatigue. This not also boost productivity but also improve the overall quality of work because workers can stay focused and energetic for a longer time. Another important impact is that this technology promotes sustainable labor with fewer injuries and reduced physical strain. There will be fewer workers replacement needed, meaning the company can maintain a stable and experienced workforce. This contributes to a safer, healthier.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Siti Norshazrina. Now, let's look at how this technology is being used in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the focus is currently on research and testing. Organizations like the Construction Industry Development Board, which is CIDB, and UTM are exploring these wearable robotics for safer construction sites. While not yet widely used in construction sites, we have seen successful trials in other physically demanding sectors. For example, local research has applied exoskeletons in the automotive industry and even for oil palm harvesting, proving that the technology works well here in Malaysia. Moving to globally application, major companies like Hyundai, Daewoo, and Sarkos Robotics are actively using exoskeletons on their sites to help their workers handle heavy materials. These global applications show that the technology is already practical and effective. This technology is a strong sustainability solution for the construction workforce. By reducing muscle strain and improving safety, exoskeletons help workers stay healthy and avoid long-term injuries. This means fewer people need sick leave and companies don't need to hire replacement as often. This makes the workforce more stable and reduces overall costs related to workplace injuries and absenteeism, which is key for long-term business sustainability. Finally, to conclude our presentation, the exoskeleton brings huge advantages. It directly improves worker safety and posture. It increases work efficiency and helps maintain worker endurance. We believe this technology is not just about making work easier today, but it's about creating a more sustainable and healthier future for all construction workers, in line with Malaysia's goal to modernize our construction sector. That's all for me. Thank you.
The EXO-S is a passive exoskeleton designed to reduce muscle fatigue in the shoulders and neck during tasks that involve working overhead, such as installing panels, assembling pipes, or sanding. It does not require batteries or motors, weighs a light 2.4 kilograms, and offers full freedom of movement, enabling continuous use in construction. It improves productivity, reduces the risk of injuries, and enhances workers' overall well-being.